Your teeth. The new raspberry flavored popsicle. Can I wipe your mouth? Come here. Show your teeth. Smile. Show your teeth. Look at Nicola. Show him your teeth. Don't jiggle. Show Nicola your popsicle. Show Nicola the popsicle. Show the popsicle to Nicola.
Hey. Don't put it on my shorts. Don't put it on my shorts. Don't.
She's got dirt on her nose too. Does that taste good? On your teeth? Tell Nicola, yeah, that tastes good. Show him. That feels good on my teeth. Tell him. Show him your teeth.
Sure are eating it good. What?
What?
Where'd you get that?
Oh, no, no.
Lonnie, look at me. Hey, where'd you get that popsicle? You don't know? Oh, Mama gave it to you? Really?
Wipe your mouth.
That's nice.
Show Nicola your popsicle.
Hey, Leilani, are you going to eat it all? Are you going to eat all that? Huh? Aren't you going to share?
You gonna give Nicola a bite?
You gonna give me a bite? Leilani, you gonna give me a bite?
No, Nicola.
He passed
Show Nicola.
What?
Wait to the camera. Do you see a camera? Uh-oh. You got your stick.
I should probably cut it now.
Can we help you?
Yeah, that's good.